Welcome back. We're about to hit y'all with another Thanksgiving dish. We have collard greens, smoked neck bones, and we're gonna use salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt-free vegetable seasoning. Stick around for the full video. Okay, crew, we have our smoked neck bones. We're gonna use this to season the greens. And we're going to bring this to a boil, and we're going to allow it to cook until the neck bones are tender. We're going to add salt starting out. We're going to add some black pepper. We're going to go in with the vegetable seasoning. And this has no salt. Onion powder. And our garlic powder. When we get ready to put the greens in, I'll bring you guys back. Okay, crew, we back. Our meat have been boiling for almost an hour. So it's about halfway cooked. We have our collard greens right here. We're gonna put these in, and we're gonna cook our collard greens for 45 minutes to an hour. And these have been washed, rinsed, and drained already. How the greens coming along, guys. See the smoked neck bones in there. Okay, crew, the greens are finished cooking, and I did not add any more seasoning to them because once I boiled the meat and I seasoned the water at the beginning, I allowed the water to cook all the way down to concentrate the flavor and the seasoning into the water. And I added a half a bottle of water back to it. Then I allowed them to cook 45 minutes, and there we go. Okay, crew, here's the final plate of the greens. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Like and comment on the videos and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. We out. Peace.